Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss on the topic transmission mode. Transmission mode means the way of communicating with another device. That means way of communicating data from one device to another device by a media. First, simplex mode. Second, half duplex mode. Third, full duplex mode. Let's start. First, simplex mode. In simplex mode, the data can be transmitted through a transmission media in one way, in only one way. It cannot be sent simultaneously from both sides. For example, from mainframe to a monitor, just at one end only. For example, TV monitor. The image can be displayed only on the screen. Second, half duplex. Half duplex means data can be sent from user 1 to 2 and also from user 2 to 1. That means data can be sent simultaneously, but at a time one user must be enabled, another user is on the disabled mode. It is a half duplex device. Example, walkie-talkie. At a time one user can be send the data, another user must be in a disabled mode. Next, full duplex mode. In full duplex mode, data can be transmitted simultaneously on both ends. For example, telephone communication. In telephone communication, at a time both users can be transmitting a message from one end to another end. It is a full duplex communication. Next, networks. There are three basic kinds of networks available here. First, local area network, metropolitan area network, and third, wide area network. The network can be classified based on the number of computers connected in a particular area. For example, it is a n number of computers connected in a network. For example, it is a LAN network. Here, systems can be connected in a single building. For example, in a college we have different computer labs or processing labs. In that, a number of computers can be connected. It is an example of LAN network. Here, large LAN network, which means multiple LANs, can be connected by a backbone network. In this, n number of blocks are connected through a backbone network. For example, a different computers in a different labs can be connected by a backbone network. Next, metropolitan area network. In metropolitan area network, n number of computers are connected in different area which are connected by a common network. For example, let us consider Erode city. Here we may have different districts. Let us consider it. N number of districts can be connected by a common network. Next, wide area network. In wide area network, n number of computers can be interconnected by a common area. For example, it can be connected widely. Inter-network. Inter-network means different networks can be connected for data transfer or communication. It is an inter-network. Thank you.